Time for the third quarter. Oh, second quarter. Lentorio, nagtuyok. Pass to Hoyad. Pass Busing sa ilalim. Nice pass. Roa. Pass sa ilalim. Defense by Hoyad. Nice one, Busing. Lentorio. Domiretso na. No good. Busing again. Back to back shot. Uy, nice defense. Bola sa very box. Score 22-19 in favor sa goal. Uy. Trabil. Sorry. Lentorio.
Sunda lang.
Lentorio. Pass by number 25. Pass love foul. Foul. Let's go. Number 25. Nakawala. Travel. Biha lumusot. No good. Rebound by Busing. Nice rebound. Lentorio foul. First throw. 1 point. Last throw. Perfect shot, 2 points by Lentorio. Score 22-21 in favor pa rin sa yellow. Oh, gold. No good. Nice rebound. Busing. Number 25. Nice pass. Hoyad. Uy, nice one by Hoyad. 23-22 in favor na sa very box.
Remaining time 5 minutes 20 seconds.
Nice pass. Bola sa very box. Nice defense. Lentorio crossover. Pass by number 25. Nakawala. Nice pass by Lentorio. Time out. Team Amino Baital. Score. Back to the ball games. Score 25-22 in favor na sa very box. Short. Uy, foul. Pero kaya foul. Biha. Box out. Diskarte. Symbol. No good. Rebound by Lentorio. Uy, foul.
Number 1 holding foul. Arsiban. First personal foul.
Lentorio long 2 points. No good. Ay, nice rebound. Kick ball. Also, kick ball good. Ball position, very box. Symbol position. Lentorio. Pass by Busing for 3. Short. Oy, travel. Muntikan. Iyay ka. Nice pass. Lentorio pa sa labas. Number 1. Counted. Foul counted. Bonus throw. Oh, good. Ay, kawala. Senyora.
Lentorio.
Lentorio pa rin.
Oh, there's a foul. Number 22, Roa. Third personal foul.
First throw. Okay, lumabas. Last throw. No good pa rin. Ay.
Both windows are good from San Antonio. Pinayaw.
Uy.
Beha. Beha. Beha.
Defense na ni Hoyad.
Second. Lentorio. Lentorio.
Nice pass.
Right. Last touch.
Bola sa goal.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 57 seconds.
2 minutes and 37 seconds.
Roa. Right.
Foul play Hoyad. Score 24-27
First personal foul.
in favor sa Berrybucks. To free throw by Roa. First throw. No good. Last throw. Shoot! Ay, nakuha ni Roa. Roa pa rin. No good. Nice rebound ni Roa.
Their position very bad.
Bola sa Berrybucks. Number 25.
Nanduan.
Call interview. Hoyad. Pick. Nakuha ni Busing. Lentorio, first line. Bang, bang. Lentorio. 2 points. 29-24 in favor pa rin sa Berrybucks. Roa pass by number 21. Travel. Nice call.
Their position very bad.
24-29.
Lentorio.
Uy, habang ay, may ginanalapan. Na, defense.
Last touch. Their position 10 seconds. 13 shot clock.
Number 21, 3, no good. Rebound by number 1. Lentorio. Lentorio rebound. Dagan! Lentorio! Dumiretso na! Lentorio! Back-to-back shot by Lentorio.
1 minute and 50 seconds remaining.
Roa. Oh, nice defense by number 25.
Mr. Nanduan.
2 free throws by Roa. First throw. No good pa rin. Last throw. 1 point by Roa. Ay! Sayang na sad.
40 seconds remaining time. Binayaw. Tukasibay. Ang good.
Roa rebound. Foul.
Foul. 25. Nanduan. Third personal.
Wala gihapon.
Minute time.
One point again by Roa. Ay, nagilabag. Duha na ka turnover. Relax lang, relax. Lentorio to Hoyad. Ayan, nabitawan. Gawas, Busing. Number 1, big. Number 1. Nice one, Busing. Jersey number 1.
20 seconds remaining time.
33-26. 33-26 score.
14 seconds remaining time. 10. 9.
Uy, nabitawan. Dagan. Ay, ay ka. Oops. Uy, expensive.
Relax lang, relax lang.
Sabi ko, expensive na. 26-33 ang score sa second quarter.
Nanduan.